Hello, my friends. I'm Professor Hans von Puppet. If you are a small business owner or even a one-man shop, you want to increase your sales and have top-of-the-line customer service. And more importantly, take your organization to the top. Don't ignore CRM any longer. Did you hear me? You cannot ignore my education and encouragement. So go to cxmcrm.com today. CXM can be deployed anywhere, laptop, desktop computer, to cloud, and it includes a lot of things. Powerful sales automation, unlimited custom pages, concurrent licensing, 100% customization, that's any page, any field, any label, social business, and so much more. All you gotta do is visit cxmcrm.com. That's cxmcrm.com. Your small business cannot afford to ignore cxmcrm.com. Thank you for your time. It has been my great pleasure telling you about cxmcrm.com. Now go, and I'll see you at the top.